Hi, welcome back to a new episode. That is, in today's session, I will discuss about what is the types of data types and variables. In programming language, every programming language, like if you learning Python, JavaScript, Java, C, C++, everything. Everywhere you will learn that is data types and variables. It is most important. It is fundamental of every programming language. So let's say, so first of all, we discussed about, okay, so this is my screen. You can see it. Here I just mentioned that name equal to John, age equal to 25, and height equal to 5.9, each equal to student. So this is name is the data types and John is the variables. So these all are the variables. These variables store the value that is John. It's we can say it's like a container. If you have a container, like if you have a box, you just put something on it. If you want to keep some water, then you need to a bottle, not a can. So like this, you can say a variable is a container to store some information, and different variable are types, different types also. There are different data types which is stored different variables. So first of all, let's learn about it. What is name? That is name equal to John. John means this is the one type of variables, or we can say this is what data types, that is string. Mainly there was, we can say, yeah, this is our data types. Like first we can say this is the string, and where you just write messages like some text. This is called string. There is some name or different type of text. It is considered as string. And where you write some number, that is called integers. And where you write some point with a decimal, that is called float. If it is height or weight, you can say other things like some measurement, like you just measurements like 5.6 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. It's all about float. And if I say some conditional statement like, is this a student, is a male or female, is a tall boys and boys or girl, everywhere condition, that is called true or false statement, that is called Boolean. So you can say the types of data. If I say, if I want to check which type data types each name. So here I just mentioned print type name. So let's learn around it. In sorry, print. Let's run. Yeah, this is class equal to string. That means the name where it is printing. The name is string. If I write here name age, then we can run it. Then you can say it int. It means that is the integer. If I say height, then you can check height. That is will be that is float. And if I say each student, it will be a boolean. Okay. So in this way, you can say the okay. Yeah, this is the boolean. So in this way, you can check the types of data types, which data types, and you can change, you can convert also from integer to boolean, or boolean to integer, or string to integer. So in this way, we can check some code here. Like if it is age equal to string, that means suppose I will convert it string age. String str means it is age. Age refers to 25. I just want to convert it as age equal to age क्या था? Age is our integer. So I just want to convert it from string to sorry, integer to string. And is how what is the data types of height? Height data types is, but this is the float, and we just converting it to integer. So this way you can convert it. So let's run it. Here is the conversion. And if I say each student, this is the boolean and float. If I say now I just want print, just wait, print type age underscore string. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so you here you can saying check this data type is converted to string. And if I say if I want to hide, then you can check it. Let's print. Here we can check it is converted in integer. The first height that is called, what is this is float. You can say here float, but it converted to integer. So this it's all about the data types and variables. Just simple thing, consider a variables is a container. Inside the variable you can store some different type of value or data. Okay, and in data which is you storing inside the variable or inside the container, the data was different types. You have all types of container. You have containers, but if you have different types of data, suppose if you have some water, if you have some rice, if you have some big paper and big books, so you need to keep some different things or different boxes. So this way the data types, different data types, but the mainly you can say or remember these things. Variable is just like a container, and inside the variable you putting some data, and the data you putting inside the container or a variable, the data has some different types. That is called data types. There is mostly four types data types. That is string, which is mentioned as any type of simple text, name, or anything. Or where you write some number, this is called integer. Or where you write something that is pointed or decimal number like 2.5, 4.5, 5.7, etc. So this is called float. And when you write some conditional like true or false statement, that is called uh, Boolean. Okay, so this is the main basic things. We will discuss more about on next session about the Python programming or the next topics. So for today's session, that's it. Have a good day. If you like this session, just comment below how is your experience.